welcome back to my channel. Stay gorgeous. Hope you all are doing well. You can see today I have done a brown smoky eye makeup because I have done this eye makeup in the occasion of Durga Puja or Navami. So here you can see the pictures. So after seeing that, so many girls have requested me to do a eye makeup tutorial on this eye makeup look. So I have done this and see how I have done this look. So guys, before going to enter this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell. Otherwise you will miss my videos. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So you can see I have completed my base makeup off camera. Today I am using this Nicka eyeshadow palette. First I am taking this light brown shade as my transition shade. Then adding this dark chocolate shade on my crease line and also my outer corner. Now take a clean fluffy brush to blend them together perfectly. Now take this matte black shade and just line it up on your lash line. And using same brush, you can smudge it. Now mix these two shades and apply it on your lid area. Now take a clean fluffy brush to blend them together perfectly so that it can give the ombre effect. And also apply them on your lower lash line and smudge them. Now I am taking this white kajal pencil and applying it on my lower waterline. Now take your highlighter and add any molten gold or champagne shade for your inner V. And also place them on your brow bone area. Now just curl your lashes and apply your mascara from downwards and then upwards. This way all lashes will be fully coated. and don't forget to apply your mascara or lower lashes. So the eye makeup is done, and rest of my face makeup I have done off camera. For lips I am using 58 number shade from Miss Claire Soft Lip Cream. This lovely nude shade is so rare to buy, even I haven't found it in Nicka also. So I have to purchase it from our Instagram store. The link will be given below in the description box. So yeah, here is the final look. So guys, hope you all have loved this tutorial, and if you have any question regarding this video, then you can comment down below in the comment box. And if you have liked my video, then don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and share this video with your friends and family. So guys, hope this tutorial was easy, and if you have tried this at your home, then don't forget to share your pictures on my social media handles. So guys, I will come with my another video very shortly. Till then, tata, take care and bye.